Russian force fire missiles at Zaporizhia in southern Ukraine. Inflation in the Philippines has increased to 6.9% in September, higher than 6.3% recorded in August. Maymay maintains strength, cyclone will approach PH weather monitoring region. The hottest today, Bong Navarro has refused to enter a plea on the resurfaced Denise Cornejo case. Good afternoon, Philippines and the world. Today is Monday, October 24, 2022. Join us in the next hour as we deliver today's top story around the Philippines and into other parts of the world. I am John Stephen Chu, and we are also seen in 1,900 satellite monitoring centers nationwide and via live streaming worldwide through the BTA News and social media channels. First in the news, surveillance video captured the moment on Monday morning that an explosion rocked the glass bridge near Kiev's Dnipro River. Ukrainian officials have accused Russia of killing and wounding dozens of people in coordinated missile attacks on the capital. Jane Alipio will have the details why.
The blast came hours after Russian President Vladimir Putin accused Ukraine of terrorism after the bridge connecting Russia and annexed Crimea was severely damaged in a huge explosion. Other areas were also hit as the power supply infrastructure across Ukraine came under missile attack. President Zelensky said Ukraine's military commander says Russia launched 83 missiles in total. By mid-afternoon on Thursday, Russia Defense Ministry claimed to have neutralized Ukraine's air bases and air defenses, destroying 74 military ground facilities including 11 airfields, 3 command posts, and 12 radar stations for anti-aircraft missile system. Jane Alipio, BTA News, we serve the people and we give the glory to God.
Meanwhile, inflation in September 2022 jumped from 6.9% from 6.3% in August, registering a 57% increasing compared with in January 2022 rate and the highest since October 2018. John Mark Cajong will tell us why. As of September, the cost of a typical food basket increased by 3% compared to the previous month. Commodity groups that show faster price hike include food, fish, meat, vegetable, and sugar. National statistician Dennis Mapa said in a press briefing the latest readout was mainly driven by faster rate of increases in the subgroup of food and non-alcoholic beverage, and housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels.
Report like PUJ with their increasing of fares nationwide as gasoline and diesel prices worldwide due to the ongoing war in the country of Ukraine. Prices of gasoline
67 pesos liter, causing high to fares of public utility vehicles. Inflation for food alone is at 7.7%, faster than 6.5% in August and September. Result is up to the same level last seen back October 2018.
Finger and clover, they go together. Finger and clover, my love affair.
kasama ang Clover.
Tropical Depression Maymay barely moved over the Philippine Sea and other weather. Alvin Anido will give us other details.
The bulletin issue at 5 p.m. the Pag-asa said Maymay was located 265 kilometers east of Casigunan.
Still has maximum sustained winds of 45 kilometers per hour and gusting of 55 kilometers per hour. Its rainfall forecast for Maymay and the shoreline, covering the rest of Tuesday until Wednesday afternoon, October 12. Moderate to heavy rain with at time intense rain, Cagayan, northern part of Isabela, Batanes, and Apayao. Light to moderate rain with at time heavy rain, Aurora, Abra, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ilocos Norte, and the rest of Isabela. Weather Bureau reminded the public to be on alert of scattered to widespread flood and landslide. The same areas remain under signal number 1 as of 5 p.m. with strong winds expected Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, and extreme northern part of Quezon, including Polillo Island. Pag-asa advised fishing boats and other small vessels not to sail, and larger vessels to watch out for big waves.
The past few weeks have been a roller coaster ride for Bong Navarro, who has been detained at the NBI following the issuance of arrest warrants, which led him to surrender to authorities. But the comedian has remained steadfast with his wife by his side through it all. Just recently, he decided not to plea for the rape charges against him filed by Denise Cornell. Wong made a virtual appearance before the Regional Trial Count Branch 69 on Tuesday, October 11. The Showtime host legal counsel attorney Alma Malyonga, on the other hand, physically attended the event. Denise and her counsel attorney Howard Calyesa attended in person. Host and comedian Wong decided not to intend a plea, following the advice of his legal counsel, citing they filed a pending petition for reviews at the country's highest court, the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, the count entered a not guilty plea for Wong.
Well, I am sad and it feels heavy inside. Pero we are here to prove to the people na ako yung victim sa situation na to. That I'm going to face what must be faced. Ang mga allegations na binabato sa akin are hindi totoo. Like, we can see na si Denise Cordejo sa elevator na nakangiti siya. Like, kung na-rape ka, ba't kang ngingiti? Diba? Na, if ikaw ay na-rape o committed an act of lasciviousness against you, ba't ka nakangiti? Ay, yung CCTV footage na pa yan, ayun pa lang yung proof. Ayun na yung proof na ako talaga yung biktima dito at sila yung nanloloko.
Host and comedian Wong decided not to intend a plea, following the advice of his legal counsel, citing they filed a pending petition for reviews at the country's highest court, the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, the count entered a not guilty plea for Wong.
And those are the reasons behind the news October 24, 2022. Reasons we deliver to you as they unfold. I am John Stephen Chu, and because we need to know, we will always ask why. We serve the people, We give glory to God. Thank you for today.
May show! Audition tayo?
Kaso maiksi buhok ko, di bagay sa mga role.
Try Sunsilk! Now with biotin and aloe vera. Sunsilk nourishes hair to be strong as it grows long day by day.
Pop star! Mermaid! Superhero!
We did it! Have amazing! New Sunsilk Strong and Long.